Yes, good morning, everyone. Today we are going into solving of exercise 1B on number-based system from question 13 to from question 13 and 15. So let's go there and see what is there. So we have here exercise 1B. We are solving question 13 and 15. The question 9 to 12 are the same solution to question 5 to 8. So I'm going to jump and leave all of those ones. The solution that is in 5 to 8 is applicable to 9 to 12. So now I'll be solving uh, question 13 and 15. So the question reads, express each of the following hexadecimal numbers in base 10. Hexadecimal. Hexa is 6. Deci is 10. So hexadecimal means 16. The numbers are in base 16. So we are to express those numbers in base 10. That is what the question is asking us to do. So let us go to our board and see how it's going to work. So we have question 13 and 15 here. So the solution, let's go. Now let's consider 13. We have 1, 2, 7 in base 16. So equal to, as usual, let us consider from our mind that the last digit is on 0 to power 0, 1, 2. So we are taking 1 multiplied by 16, which is the base of the given number we are to convert to base 10. So to power 2 plus 2 times the base, which is 16, to power 1 plus 7 times 16 to power 0. 16 is the base that is given. So the next thing is 1 multiplied by 16 to power 2. That is 16 times 16. 16 times 16 is 256 plus 2 times 16 to power 1 is 16. Any number to power 1 is that number itself, plus 7 times 16 to power 0 is 1. Any number to power 0 is equal to 1. So we have equal to. Then the next thing is 1 times 256 is the same thing as 256 plus 2 times 16 is 32 plus 7 times 1 is 7 is equal to the next step, which is the final answer. We have 256 plus 32 plus 7 will give us 295. 295 as the final answer in base 10. So what this implies is that 127 in base 16 is the same thing as 295 in base 10. Thank you. So we'll be going to question number 15 now. Question number 15. 15. Before I solve the 15, I'll have to explain. Let me write it out first. 15. We have D 6 E5 in base 16. So there is what we are going to consider. In hexadecimal basis comprises of 16 numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, and F is equal to 15. So in the given question here, we have D6, E5 in base 16, which will be equal to D. Our D is what? Our D is 13. So we have 13. No, first of all, we'll write down the notations as usual. So our notation in this case is 0, 1, 2, 3. So our first number here is D, and D is equal to 13. 13 multiplied by 16 to power 3. That is for the D. Then the next one is plus 6 times 16 to power 2 plus E. E here is equal to 14. 14 times 16 to power 1 plus the next digit is 5. 5 times 16 to power 0. So the next step is 13 times 16 to power 3. 16 times 16 in 3 places will give us 4,096 plus 6. Then 16 to power 2. That is 16 times 16 times 256. 16 to power 2 plus 14 times 16. 16 to power 1 is still 16 plus 5 times 16 to power 0 is 1. So we have that. So the next step is 13 times 4,009. 13 times 4,009 give us 53,248 plus 6 times 256 will give us 1,536 plus 14 times 16 will give us 224 plus the next one is 5 times 1 will give us 5. So our final answer will be our final answer here will be 53,248 plus 1,536 plus 224 plus 5, which is equal to 55,013 in base 10 as our final answer. So thank you all. This is the solution. You can still go through it. That is what we have. In hexadecimal, hexadecimal means to base 16. Then the alphabets that are involved in the digit of the numbers have a representation as given in solving the questions. So if you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then as from 9, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Then A is equal to 10. B is equal to 11. C is equal to 13. No, we have as from A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, and F is equal to 15. So as given in question 15, we have that D6E5 in base 16 should be converted to base 10. Base 16, that is hexadecimal base. So and we have done that as in this solution. Thank you all. Please like, subscribe, share, like my solution, please. Share, subscribe to my channel. Mathematical 25, and comment with your recommendation, questions, criticism, corrections. If you have any corrections on any of my solutions, you do that. I will be very happy. Thank you all.